After arriving back in Missoula toward the end of January, I stopped filming. The anxiety I felt over the ever-increasing time delay between vlog filming and vlog publishing led me to decide to stop filming until I had edited through the backlog. This means I missed out on capturing some fairly important moments in both American history and world history. The big one is COVID-19, which has massively affected daily life for almost everyone on planet Earth. Racial tensions and outcry over police brutality have boiled over into protest rallies held in cities all over the globe. President Trump has continued to outdo himself in bringing new levels of shame and embarrassment to the executive office of the president, to my country, and to its citizens. In less than half of a single trip around the sun, the world is a markedly different place. And in America especially, it's a very awkward moment in which to celebrate the birth of our nation.
You can That's what I have to offer you.
There's a flag, Kelsey.
An American flag?
An American flag. I don't have my windshield mounty thing.
Device? Mounty devicey?
So this is just sitting on the dashboard.
I don't think it's gonna stay. I think you have to hold it.
I'm a professional.
Alright, okay.
And because I'm professional, we're gonna have some real high quality audio.
Oh, I'm gonna honk at these Black Lives Matters protesters in support. Like happy honks, you know, not like bad honks. Like yay honks. Yay honks. There we go. Got some yay honks.
So, not on the count of 3, but on the count where 4 would be, okay?
Okay.
We're both gonna say a noun that is what we are most thankful for in America.
A noun?
Yep.
What I'm happy about? Like
Yeah,
what America has given me?
Your favorite thing about America.
Okay. Okay.
You ready?
I guess so.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Constitutional rights.
We have different priorities. To celebrate the 4th of July, Kelsey and I are taking a hike out in the wilderness, far away from any other human being. And that seems to be exactly what all these other human beings decided to do with their day. Good thing I brought protection. Okay. Oh, there's bugs landing on me already. Kelsey, we may have a problem.
What?
There's a sign right there. And there's another sign behind you to say the same thing.
Oh.
Okay, Kelsey, tell me all of the American things I'm gonna see on this journey. Sheep?
Look at these big ass American leaves.
Only America has leaves
They're
this big.
So big.
Only America has flowers this tiny. We're on the forest moon of Endor.
Oh?
It's just an obscure sci-fi thing. Quarantine has been a really good opportunity to focus on self-betterment, which is why I think I weigh about 10 pounds more now than at the beginning of quarantine. I bettered my waistline with pizza. How have your quarantine goals gone?
I weigh the same, so very neutral.
Yay!
Yay.
What's frustrating about the increasing weight thing is that I have greatly improved my running ability during quarantine. So far I've gotten in a few 15 and 16 mile runs which I would not have been able to do at the beginning of quarantine, but maybe all that running just increased my appetite at a greater rate than the running burned it. A water hazard.
How's it taste?
That's fresh Montana water. I'd fill up a water bottle with this. You can tell that this area burned at one point, but as nature is wont to do, it sprang back.
You can either go left, forward, or right. It's a choose your own adventure.
We'll go down each one of them and make a different video for each one.
Choose your own
and
adventure.
then they can choose in the description.
Ah.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah.
That seems the most up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go that way then.
Okay.
It seems we've reached another fork.
Let's go that way.
This is where Kelsey wishes to stop.
We're on the top of some mountain. I just don't know which one. Oh, there are lots of things all over me.
Do you want more, or are you okay if I finish
Are
this?
you gonna drain it? Go ahead. I'll survive. Flies don't bother me.
Before we head back down the mountain, I'm heading out here to the edge, or as close as I can get to an edge, so I can see what this valley looks like over here. It looks like there's a trail down there. Huh. This is less of an edge than I expected. If only I had a working drone, I could fly it out there and get the lay of the land. That tree, both those trees have, all of these trees have yellow marks on them. Are they going to cut those down? What does that mean? Huh. Yeah, all of the trees in this area have those marks. That one has one down at the bottom too. Some clouds came by and covered up the sun. Okay, Kelsey, you take the high road, I'll take the low road.
Did it. Water bottle with water for you?
Oh, that sounds nice and tasty. If I get giardia from this, I promise I won't blame you, okay?
That's okay.
That tastes really fresh.
Is it because it's cold?
It just has the taste of like natural spring water, you know? Kelsey, I'm worried that too much time has passed since the last time I ate a burger. That was like a 5-star eye roll that you did when I said that. Did you remember your rope? Okay. My Giardia water, my very sweaty backpack. How are your feet?
Ow. Ow. Do you want to look at them? Is this against the terms of service of Ooh, look at that saggy flap of skin.
Thank you for choosing Freddy's. My name is Ethan. What can I do for you today?
Hi there. Can I please get the double California steak burger meal?
Okay. And cheese, mustard, onion, pickle, all right on that?
Just no onion.
Okay.